Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys face delete setting means guys face lock guys you want to delete in your Tecno phone. So guys you can delete your face lock in your Tecno phone, and guys now let's see how to delete face lock in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you hands. So guys now let's see how to delete face lock. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys click on guys your security setting, and guys you can see guys your face unlock setting. So guys tap here and guys enter your password, then guys you can see guys your delete face. So guys tap here to delete guys your face lock setting, then guys your face lock will delete in your Tecno phone guys. So then guys you cannot use guys your face lock in your Tecno phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete face lock in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.